Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this week episode I would like to show you how I will organize my tools, because this is quite annoying. I have a socket tester which is really nice to control your sockets in the house. Then I have a multi-purpose detector. This one can detect pipes, electrical circuits, some wood beams. This is really nice and really handy. Here I have a moisture meter, which also have a thermometer. You can see what is the temperature, but it's very handy when you want to control the moisture in the support of the laminate, in the support material. Here I have a laser distance measure, so you can measure the distance with this. This is also very handy when you want to measure the distance of a room. It has some small a lot of functions that help you to calculate the square foot of the room and whatever. This is the RE gun, which is really good for resin, to see what is the exotherm and also what is the temperature of the support material you want to laminate. And here I have a digital multimeter that's very helpful as well when you have some small electric things that you have to control it. So the thing is simple. It is very annoying to put all this on the shelves in the box. I prefer to come in a plastic box, but to avoid, and it's also very annoying to open everything and then take it and put it back. So that's why what I want to do is to remove all the boxes and use this box, which is from another tool, and unfortunately it was broken. Maybe I keep it, maybe I will use it in the future for other projects, but for now on I just want to reorganize all this and have all these tools in one box. And if it's remaining some spare, let's say, place, maybe I will add some other instrument for measuring and control. Then I will have everything in one box. I will take it out and I will put everything. I will take what tools I need. For this, the plan is to cut the plastic. This one, it's a little bit chamfered, so the plan is to cut the other side, this one, and use some thick foam as support to put it inside, and then just cut the shape of the tools and put it very nice in the box. Depends how it will fit better, and hopefully it will be much nicer and much organized for my tool shelves, which is right here. So in this episode I want to show you how you transform this in this. Okay guys, I managed to trim everything out. I just let this border because I want to put the foam underneath, so somehow to keep it fixed. It will be good if I will add some adhesive tape or some glue to glue it, but I do not have here, being in a hotel room, so probably in a stage 2 I will do also this. Now I will mark the foam and I will trim it out on a position, and afterwards I will fix the tools. I think this is the best position I could have. And then I will have all the tools in only one box, and I can get rid of all these boxes. Probably on the other side, on this side, I will cut a small hole here, and I will use this space to store the instruction manual for each. Maybe it will be needed in the future for some additional information. Okay guys, so now I put the foam in. What I have to do, I have to cut the shape of the tools, and I want to submerge them in the foam. I have some ideas that first I wanted to cut it until the bottom, and then I want to put some thinner foam underneath for each one to have the same height. But for the first I will just cut and submerge all this. So this is it, guys. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. If you think it's a good idea, feel free to do it at home. The box, as I said, is coming from a damaged tool. Then the foam is coming from a package from an engine that I received it from another project, and I kept the foam. I still have 1 square meter at home. The tools are my tools that I use it, so most of the things are recycled or come with another purpose, and I still keep it. Also the damaged tool, I keep it. Maybe I can use it in another project. Yeah, I hope you like it, you enjoy it. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe. This will help me very much to post other videos and create other content. Accepting the mistake with this one that I create a offset, everything fits perfectly, and I really like it. Thank you very much.